Say hello. Hi. Can you say mama? Are you saying cheese? Cheese. She is so funny. Can you say mama? Good job. Can you say dada? Good job. Can you say doggy? Doggy. Dog. Can you say ball? Can you say mama again? Can you say mama? How do you say, Michael, come back up here. See ya. Come back here. That's a no-no. Can you say no? Can you say no? Bye.